good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, April the 11th, 2024. Almost end of the working week. Yes, we have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block, in Japanese, Sugubu. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them. I will solve 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. The first one I will do is the 3 Stars Sudoku number 8344. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 2 extra more, yeah? So it should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with a 3 stars, and for 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? Which number can I pick? Well, we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, only 3 places left. The 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 in the column next, no 7 there. The only place left with the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left with the 7 should be here, or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then, well, I cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about the 6 in this row? Third row. 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 6 should be there. Well. Alright. Let me see. Which number shall I pick? 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 8, 9. How about 7 here? Okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright, and now 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3. Let me drink something first. Okay. Alright. How about 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Alright. Need a 2 there. I need a 6 here. Interesting. The 6 there. 6, 6, 6. Okay, and now And now. 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, okay. 9 here. Yeah, I'm thinking. Need a 4 here. Well, need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. 7, 3, 6. No. 7, 3, 6. 7, 3, 6. 7, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So need a 1. Need a 5. Need a 8. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8. And the 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8. And the no. 1, 5, 8. And this 9. 9, 9. Well, come on. Where's the opening? What, the 8? 8, 8, no 8 here. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. Need a 2 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. In the third column. 2 in one of those two boxes in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left. The 2 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next down, only 2 places left. The 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left of the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those two boxes, and here we have a 2 in one of those two boxes. That means in this row, we need a 2 there. Because here can be 2. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes. In this column, no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. Well, we see a 2 in one of those two boxes in the middle column, so no 2 there's the only place left of 2. Yeah, should be there. Okay. And now, need a 7 here, 7, yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we have 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. 4, 5, 8. Yeah. Need an 8 here. Well, we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 could be here, could be there. That means in the third column, we need an 8 in the third column. Well, here can be an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 goes together with the 2 as a pair. The other pair in this third column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. 5 in this row, last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. Well. I need a 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. Okay. 4 to 5. Need a 4 here, need a 4 here, need a 5 now. 4, 5, need an 8 here, yeah. Okay. So 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is a number 8. Here can be an 8 because we have an 8 in one of those two boxes in this big square. So the 8 could be here, could be there in this row. Here or there we see another 8 in this column. No 8 there. Only place level 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the amount. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left of the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. The 4 here. Alright, and now 2 numbers 11. Oh, wait. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 8. We have an 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9, cannot fill this yet, let me mark those. Then, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, Well. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 9. We have 3 and a 9 in the last column, so no 3 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Well. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. So we had 2 numbers left for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a 5 now in the middle column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. And now, let me see. Let me see. Need a 6 here. Okay. 1 and a 5. I'm missing here. Need a 5 there. 8 and a 2. Need a 8 here also. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. Well, we have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left with 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the rest of 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes at there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 numbers are left in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Two numbers left in this big square. Four numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the 6, we have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 9 and 3, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 1, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. Alright, 4 and a 2, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 8 and a 2, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, maybe I talk too much. Not faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. Not a 3 stars, but a 2 stars puzzle. Yeah. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.